Hi, welcome to Turbo Talks YouTube channel. Prepare to be blown away by the all-new Volvo XC60 a true game-changer in the world of luxury SUVs. This 2-minute rundown will leave you itching to get behind the wheel. Let's dive in. Design. The 2025 XC60 is a masterpiece of Scandinavian design, boasting a sleek aerodynamic silhouette that's both elegant and commanding. The distinctive Thor's hammer LED headlights and bold front grille make a powerful first impression, while the clean lines and sophisticated curves exude a sense of timeless elegance. Performance. Under the hood, the XC60 packs a punch with its advanced hybrid and electric powertrains. Offering a seamless blend of power and efficiency, the 2025 model delivers a thrilling driving experience with its responsive handling and impressive acceleration. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering rugged terrains, the XC60's performance is second to none. Interior. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious cabin that's designed with your comfort in mind. Premium materials, including Napa leather and sustainable wood accents, create an inviting atmosphere. The state-of-the-art infotainment system, featuring a massive touchscreen display and intuitive controls, ensures that you're always connected and entertained. Safety. Volvo's commitment to safety is legendary, and the 2025 XC60 is no exception. Packed with cutting-edge safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and the latest in collision avoidance technology, this SUV offers peace of mind on every journey. The innovative driver assist systems work seamlessly to keep you and your loved ones safe, no matter the road ahead. Innovation. The 2025 XC60 is a tech lover's dream, with advanced features like the integrated Google Assistant, over-the-air software updates, and a premium sound system by Bowers & Wilkins. The XC60's intelligent connectivity ensures that you're always in control and can enjoy a personalized driving experience. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the future of luxury SUVs with the 2025 Volvo XC60. Buckle up, because this ride is set to redefine your expectations and elevate your driving experience to new heights. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in automotive excellence. Catch you on the road.